let's review mini squats and glute squeezes during pregnancy. I'm Dr. Nichelle Gurley, and I'm specialized in prenatal and postnatal movement. So why mini squats and why glute squeezes? A lot of times women can experience discomfort in their pelvis that too big of movements are just not going to happen. However, we still need to work on stability to help out that pelvis. So what we can do is just glute squeezes sometimes. So this is exactly as it sounds, which is just squeezing your butt. This could be while you're seated in a chair. You could be on the ground. You could be ready to get out of bed, and you can just squeeze your butt. So if you're feeling any discomfort in your SIs or your pubic bone, we can do these glute squeezes. This is also a great start in those first few days postpartum to wake up those glutes without having to do much of anything. You're not really moving. You're just seated on the couch or in bed, and you're just squeezing and waking up, priming those glutes to help with the stability of the pelvis. Now, another option during pregnancy, especially if squats and other movements are just way too much, are mini squats. And we're going to keep a narrow stance. So as opposed to coming out doing a nice big squat that can irritate the pelvis, we're going to stay narrow, and we're just going to do a little dip down and activate the glutes on the rise. We're also going to activate that lower belly. So what I want you to think about is pubic bone, trying to reach up and lift towards that belly button. So it's just a lift of that lower belly. It's not a pulling in and gripping of the abs. It's a lift to the lower, which is why I want you to think pubic bone up towards the belly button. So I'm going to do a slight angle here so you can see. So narrow stance. I'm going to dip down. Think of a lift to the lower belly as I squeeze my glutes. So dip and squeeze. Squat down and squeeze. So that is a mini squat. And then we also talked about glute squeezes to help with that stabilization.